President of the National Association of Nigerian Students, NANS, Atiku Abubakar, recount ordeal with Seyi Tinubu, which stemmed from his refusal of a 100 million naira bribe. At a press briefing, Atiku Abubakar claimed he was invited to Lagos and met with Seyi Tinubu and the Minister of Youth. According to Atiku Abubakar, his abduction was orchestrated after he declined the 100 million naira bribe and was brutally physically assaulted. Atiku Abubakar alleged that in alliance with the Managing Director of the Nigerian Television Authority, NTA, he was coerced into announcing his denouncement as NANS president to regain his freedom. Furthermore, he alleged that Seyi Tinubu boasted that even if they killed him, he would order the Inspector General of Police, IGP, to sweep the incident under the rug.
I was invited to Lagos to meet with Seyi. I met with Seyi and the Minister for Youth. The Minister for Youth, when he saw me, he hugged me in Lagos. We talked, and I was to be offered 100 million naira. But the thing is, it's not all about money. There are things which I stand for. You cannot ask me to begin to promote a president who has not done something for me to say he has done it. If he does something good, I will promote him. We will support him as the president and commander-in-chief. But where he is, you cannot say I should keep quiet. I won't do that. That we couldn't settle. And they felt that I'm being stubborn not to accept money and to come to Lagos without accepting money and going back. So they planned my abduction, and on the 15th, I was abducted. Of April, I was abducted, stripped naked, beaten seriously in collaboration with the MD of NTA. The MD of NTA, I was packaged to NTA to make involuntary statement that I am no longer, that I have renounced my position as NANS president. I did that to gain my freedom, but immediately I released a press statement that I was forced, it was under duress, and because I was naked, I was beaten. They claimed that they will share the video. That Seyi told them that they can share the video, nothing will happen. And that even if they kill me, he will order. That was the word Ladoja used. It is Ladoja that is telling me this. That he will instruct, yes, he will instruct the Inspector General of Police to cover it up. And if he doesn't do that, he will go. So I now ask, even this morning when somebody was telling me that you know who Seyi is, I say, yes, Seyi is an ordinary citizen like myself. He's not occupying any official position. I told them yesterday, I made it clear that even if I'm coming to this hall and I'll be shot, I'll still come to this hall. At the end, today, the inauguration is concluded and I'm the NANS president. I want Nigerians to know what has happened and that we are not going to give up and that Seyi can do anything he wants to do. He's already in this hotel. This inauguration wouldn't have held. You can see the organization is not correct. See the way the things was hardly done. I told the MC, quickly start. Don't do no protocol. Do the inauguration as long as though they will be arresting or killing the NANS president now, who controls over 40 million Aluta forces.
However, Seyi Tinubu, son of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has firmly debunked allegations made by the newly elected president of NANS, Comrade Atiku Abubakar, who accused him of threatening his life. Reacting to the allegations on Tuesday via his official Instagram handle, Seyi Tinubu dismissed the claims as entirely baseless and defamatory. He wrote, "Enough is enough with these fake stories and defamation of my character." The message was accompanied by a screenshot of the report, which he labeled as fake news. While this new revelation has ignited reactions and has called for concerns, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV.